Greetings my friends and welcome back to another video. And whether you are a beginner or a trader that just starts out a new account, your first steps are always going to be the most important. It is extremely important to not blow up your account at the early stages. And today I'm going to show you how to exactly do that and which tools you should absolutely be using, especially if you are a beginner. So let's delve into it. But if you want to trade with me daily, if you want to have access to tutorials, trade breakdowns, multiple trading sessions every single day, cutting edge technology for trading, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. It is available for everybody. You can also join my free trading group where you will get signals for free. So what are you waiting for? Hop in, and now let's delve into the market and let's work. All right, so here we are. We have chart scanner and I have $100 available. So my goal is to find an entry that I will be doing to almost double my trading balance immediately. And as you can see, I have just selected the area. I pressed D tool to analyze the chart and it said to wait. So this chart is already excluded from the pool because the tool told us to wait because the movement looks choppy and candles create noise in both directions. So we're skipping that signal and now we're going on a different chart to find our entry, and here it is. We have actually a strong sell position with high quality, so I'm going to place $50 on this trade and I'm going to sit and wait for the next 15 seconds to see how the price behaves. And as you can see, we do have a stronger move downwards, and the analysis from the tool says exactly that. The right side of the chart shifts slower, red candles are more active than green candles. There is a working downside direction. So we have placed our trade. Because this is a very strong signal, I'm placing way more than I usually would. This is $50, this is 50% of my balance, which is very big. But I'm very confident in this trade as I also see that there is an active downtrend right now. As a beginner trader, a lot of these things are going to be really hard for you to spot, so this tool will definitely help you get an edge in such situations. And there you go, our strong signal goes through and we are at $146, and it's time to continue moving and find another entry. Here I am looking to ideally take a sell position, but the tool says to take a buy position, so we're gonna go and do exactly that. I'm gonna place $73, which is also 50% of my balance, and there you go. Now we're just going to sit on it. Why did we take such a big trade? Again, we have a pretty strong signal. This is not the strongest one, of course. The right side of the chart shows recovery. Red candles are becoming weaker. Upside scenario is active, and you can see that right here. We have strong bullish candles. We have one red candle amidst it, and definitely this looks like an upside scenario. And again, we're placing our trade, and this is going to take us already to almost $240, just like that. And we didn't do any analysis, we simply actually placed our trades based off the analysis from the tool. And again, I did want to take a sell position here myself, but the tool said it's a buy position, and as you can see, it turns out to be completely right and secure us another big trade right here, and we are at $213 already. So now let's go ahead and do another trade. And this scanner works for both OTC market, it works for real market, so you can trade in whatever market you feel like. And again, it says wait, so we are skipping this signal and we're going to find another entry. And I want to do a trade on real market, but all the real market situations looks very choppy and the tool can see that, and this is exactly why it's giving you this wait position. It's saving you money, so make sure to pay attention to this. And there you go, this is going to be a big trade for us here. We're going to place all of our money here, but this is a very strong signal. 87%, 87 out of 100. Recent candles show seller pressure. Green attempts are quickly rejected. Structure looks closer to downside continuation. And again, we do see that there is a very strong bearish move right here into some little correction here and back to the massive red candles that we see all over the board, which means we are actually in a clear downside continuation path here, and we are looking to swing all the way downwards, and this is going to bring us massive profit, and this is exactly what we would need. Again, you have to make sure that you're placing bigger trades on the stronger signals like 87, 89, 90. These are the signals that are gonna have a way higher success rate. But again, never place your entire balance. I'm doing this for video purposes to showcase you the tool. You should not be placing all of your balance on one trade. Always do smaller trades. This will definitely help you go higher. You can do these type of trades if you have 30,000, 50,000 available for trading. You can try doing these little trading sessions where you go all the way to 1,000 to 2,000 from $100. But if you are starting a brand new account, if you are a beginner to trading, always do money management. Again, a lot of the traders are falling victims to bad money management, and this is exactly what I'm teaching on stream, how to properly trade. And actually right now we're doing proper trading on stream. We're going from $180 and seeing how far we can go. We're doing smaller trades, so make sure to check it out on TikTok. And now let's do another big trade right here. So far we have fantastic trading session. We are 3 for 3, and let's do a couple of other trades and get to 1,000. And here we are again, very strong signal, so I'm going to place a sell position. Another trick that you can do as a beginner trader when you are placing these trades is break down your trade into the smaller ones. So instead of placing $400 as a singular trade, try placing $100, $100, $50, $50, multiple as the price moves above your entry point. This will guarantee you at least some profit in case something goes against your trade, and that is why you want to do that, to save potential profit, to get potential profit and not to lose money on one trade just like this. See, what I'm doing right now is extremely risky, but I'm confident in the tool. We are executing another very strong signal, 86 out of 100, and there you go, another beautiful trade, and this is already putting us all the way to $800 just like that. Boom, 769, almost 800, and we can definitely hit over 1,000 now, as again we're going to place a bigger trade here. And here we are, let's do an OTC trade. Again, a strong buy position, so I'm going to place actually a smaller trade, but I'm gonna break it down into, just like I mentioned, I want to do 2 trades. This is actually going to put us over $1,000 of profit. I'm just going to sit this one out and see if the price gets pushed down, and there it is. The price does dip a little bit lower, so I'm placing another 50%, and as it drops lower, I am potentially adding more. However, the signal is valid for 20 seconds after you receive it and after you do the analysis, so it's better to if you are already 30 seconds down on your first trade, it's generally a good rule of thumb to just wait for all of the trades to go through and then perform fresh analysis and get in with a fresh candle. This is going to save you a lot of headache, a lot of money, and a lot of potential losses that could have been avoided by simply waiting and performing fresh analysis. This is definitely going to be a close one. We need a little swing upwards here. Will we get it? Absolutely not. Unfortunately, we'll lose that, and this is a big loss. But we still have another trade here pending, so hopefully we get at least this one, and there you go. So it does bring us a little bit back here, back at 560, and we need a big trade now to hit. This was a strong signal, but unfortunately it did not go through for us, even though you could see that the price did swing in the end, and we could have actually gotten all of those money, but it was unlucky. So all right, let's try doing our final trade and take ourselves to $1,000, and this is exactly how I'm going to do that. I'm gonna wait for the candle to almost be close because I want to place a fresh trade here, and I'm gonna perform fresh analysis right now, even though I got a sell position and now it's a wait position. So we're actually not going to enter here. unless I just zoom out and do this, and let's see it. It's still a wait, so this chart is not valid for an entry. And let's again select this area right now, scan, it's a buy position. Let's place 50% here and lock in on 100% for this trade as well. And there you go, we are $500 in, and this is gonna put us at $1,000 of profit. And this is exactly that plateau where everything changes for you. Once you get to $1,000, your trading, your lifestyle will significantly change, because $1,000 in your balance will allow you to bring $100 every single day with just a couple of trades that you perform and that you actually execute smartly. You won't have to do 50 trades, 40 trades every single day. It's gonna become it's gonna become really simple, and you can do that even being in my trading group and just performing trading sessions with me. Just a couple of trades will already yield you a solid income on a daily basis, and this is exactly what you want to achieve. And in reality, all it takes is just a couple of smart trades. And there you go, we are hitting these numbers right there. $1,000. It took us a bit of time to find some of the entries. 15 minutes in the market, went from $100 all the way to 1,000, and you can see it only took us 7 successful trades. And that is with us doing a little bit of a money management and placing smaller trades. So guys, if you want to trade with this tool, now is the time. This is extremely helpful for beginners, but not only that, this can also be really helpful if you already have some knowledge in trading, because you can actually match your analysis to whatever the tool says right here. And if you want to get this tool, you know where to find me at ntrade_pro. Everybody is welcome. You can also join my trading group. We trade every single day from Monday to Sunday, trading sessions. We have marathon going on right now where people are profiting big. We have trading tools of all sorts. We just had a brand new trading robot drop, so don't hesitate, reach out to me. We're also streaming every single day. I'm showing how I'm doing this live, and again, you can see right here, this is these are the trades that I did live yesterday. There was quite a few more, and we will be trading today again on stream, so make sure to hop in and check it out. I appreciate you. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as usual, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.